Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Day 67 of quarantine. Hair really greasy.
Look at the top of his head!
But you know, that's okay, because today we're making some fresh wings with some insane sauces. These sauces, if there was a Smithsonian for sauces, these would be in it, okay?
You serious?
We've got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and we've got some HOMESTYLE SCORCHIng hot sauce, which is actually part of like a 4-pack. So we're gonna be using these sauces on some fresh wings, and let's get into it. Before we start, please like and subscribe down below, and let's go. Okay, so we are gonna open up our pack of wings.
12 seconds later.
And now we are going to throw them in our little bowl. And what is that?
Boring!
Anyways, let's get all of our wings. Okay. Okay, so once we have all our wings, we should probably give them a wash, because you know we don't. Now that we washed our chicken, it's time to sauce it up. Listen, fellas, don't take it light on the hot sauce, okay? We're gonna get some in there. Listen to that sound.
Nice.
How satisfying. Okay, so I would say that that's good. I feel like there's not enough sauce, but okay. So now we've marinated the chicken. Got it all tasty and ready for the barbecue. Okay, so we made it out to the barbecue. Gonna get this thing fired up and throw those wings on there. Okay, so now we're just gonna heat this thing up. Make sure it's probably around 300 to 400, and we'll throw them on there. Of course, you can't cook on a barbecue. Of course, you can't cook on a barbecue without cleaning it first, so... Of course, you can't cook on a barbecue without cleaning it first, so let's clean it. Slowly, so the camera doesn't fall.
Eventually.
Okay, the barbecue's all clean now, and let's throw them on. Almost forgot, gotta oil the barbecue. Gotta make sure that chicken doesn't stick. Okay, so the barbecue is heated up. Oh my god! Okay, so the barbecue is heated up, and now we are just gonna put some wings on there. I'm not gonna make all of them because that's too much right now. But let's start throwing some on. Okay, so now we're gonna close that barbecue and maybe leave them in there for 10 minutes and then we'll flip them, okay?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so while they're on the grill, we're just gonna add some more barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're done re-upping on the sauce. So let's try flipping them, see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna bring this back down and leave them in for another, let's say, like 10 minutes. It's gonna take a bit longer than that other 10 minutes, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I just re-upped on some of the sauce on the other side, and oh my god, check out that sizzle. Extreme close-up. Okay, so we're gonna leave them in there for a little bit and check back later. Okay, so these wings are definitely ready after I just tried this one. We're gonna just stack them high on the plate. Turn off the barbecue. Close the lid. And let's start eating these immaculate wings. Look at these. Oh my god. Look at the color, that dark black mixed with some brown. Oh my god, some nice chars. Look at it glistening in the light. Oh my god. I'm excited for this one. I'm so excited to try these guys. Oh my god, you have no idea. Let's get into it. Okay, guys.
Top of his head.
So,
What are you doing?
Huh?
Tony, get out.
Why? Why? What are you doing here?
These wings are good, guys. Oh my god.
Dude,
Rip it apart. So juicy. Let me tell you guys, the mixture of that sweet and spicy barbecue sauce with that scorching hot sauce gives you a taste that, like, let me just tell you, you can't match it anywhere else. The sear is perfect. The meat inside is juicy. The sauce is kicking.
A little bit spicy.
These wings are literally perfect. Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Again, like I said, we destroyed these wings. They're really good. Again, it's a mix of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce from Walmart and the Scorching Homestyle hot sauce, which is the set of 4 from Canadian Tire. Get those, mix them together with the wings, and you'll make a bomb sauce. Again, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace out.